Power saved him? Oh, okay, okay. Website is on. Okay. Feels like I had a good. Feels like I had a good and a bad dream. Wish I had only good dreams. Oh my god, I fucking got like eating with a girl and playing video games. I want a pet dog. Pochita! My baby boy! Okay, so it's like chapter 1 again. Oh fuck the websites. My god! Dude, I missed your power! Power! I missed you, dude. I missed you. Oh my god! My lord! Power! Dude, oh my god, is it a double spread? Wait. Okay, can't see. Okay, the website doesn't want to work again. I'll check in with the app. Okay, where were we? Okay, some of the pages are just fucking black. Where were we? Yeah, blood, blood, blood. Give it back, give it back. 'Tis all mine. I fucking missed you, dude. I fucking missed ya. Hopefully this video won't get flagged for nudity, but oh god damn it, I already got one strike. Not like the channel got any motion to begin with. Hmm? This human smells like a dog. I like dogs. This is a crunch. Oh shit. Nayuta? Kobeni? Aki? Come on, load! I need to know who that is! It's gotta be Nayuta, come on. Work, you damn server! Nayuta! Holy shit! It's... Wait. If... Wait, if Makima... If Chainsaw Man... What? Oh yeah. Booty. What a fucking minute. Dude. What is this? Oh my god, please say we're gonna see Asa. What the fuck? Okay. Ah. My power is set to equal that of a god. Take this. Bang. Oh, banger, new fear. Oh my god, the doggies. Oh my god, the doggies. A devil at a school. Yep, I'm busy too. Sorry, so busy. Video games. Yucky. Oh, lucky. So why? Meow shouldn't love anyone but me. That girl has to be the control devil or something. Must be nice to have a happy-go-lucky brain like yours. I'm not happy. That girl gets to keep meowing a bunch of dogs. My new pet is you, and you aren't even cute. Powie. Weapon? What? Oh, he probably saw like Yoru? Oh my god. Wait. A devil at a school. Don't fucking say. If Asa gets erased. G interface, please. I'm using everything I can, okay. Wait. Oh. Wait, a chainsaw still exists. The other day, chainsaw. Okay, so the devil's not. Wait, oh shit! It's a crustacean. It's a Japanese spider crab. Imagine. Oh, okay, I thought this was like Fami. Asa. Wait a minute. What's he doing? No. Chainsaw Man? What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck is happening? Wait a fucking minute. Is Vince going to be part fucking free? Oh my god, Asa. We're having fried chicken, right? And egg rolls. That's the end. Huh. So that's how Chainsaw Man ends. I fucking love you, Fujimoto. Jesus Christ. It's a happy ending. Well, it's a medium happy ending. Like, they don't get together, but they're saved. And he found power again. Fujimoto, I want to go on my knees and suck your dick. No announcement. It's the end. Yeah. I'm a little sad someone like Fami didn't get anything to do, but to be honest, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. And Chainsaw Man, I think it's my favorite piece of fiction of all time.